Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do a sheer overlay kind of effect for your videos. So one of my friends, Sally, who also has a YouTube channel that I'll link below, saw this in Aspyn Ovard's video, I think that's how you pronounce her name, and she asked me how to do it. So we're going to be working primarily in Keynote and iMovie, so if you don't have both those apps, they're both free for all Mac devices, and you can download them on the App Store. So first you're going to create a rectangle, and you're going to want to make sure this rectangle is the same dimensions as the video you're working with. So you're going to want to make it 1280 pixels in width and 720 pixels in height. Don't worry that it looks like it's off the frame here. It's not going to serve as a problem later. So you can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to go with a pink, just like she did. And I'm going to change the opacity to a really light percentage, so around like 30-40%. And this will give it that sheer overlay effect so that you could still see the video underneath it. Next, I'm going to add some text. So I'm just going to put in my name. And I'm going to change the font. You can play around with this however you want. In Aspyn's video, she used this as a tool to put up like a question and answer. So these were the questions, which was really cute, and that's something I haven't seen done before. She sort of has an overlay, so Aspyn sort of has this white border or shadow almost beneath hers. So you can create that same effect just by copying and pasting two text clips and changing and layering them on top of one another. Okay, now once you play around and get your image looking the way you want it, you're going to select everything, either by holding down your trackpad and selecting everything, or clicking on one object and clicking the shift key and selecting both. But that's difficult when you have objects layered on top of one another like this, so I'd recommend just clicking and dragging. Next, click Command C to copy everything, or go to Edit, Copy. And then you're going to open up the Preview app. Now we're doing this because we can't take a screenshot of this image because one, it goes off the borders of the frame, and two, we wouldn't get that sheer effect that we want. So next, go to Preview. You're going to go to File, New from Clipboard, and here's your sheer overlay as a photo. So save it however you want. Make sure it's somewhere you can find it. Next, you're going to want to open up iMovie and import your sheer overlay. Next, you're going to drag and drop the clip you want on the bottom. And then you're going to put the sheer overlay on top of it. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Of course, as always, subscribe for more iMovie tutorials and comment if there are any iMovie tutorials that you want me to do.